post office is where you want to be. We provide a lot of benefits, a lot of opportunities. The Postal Service is constantly growing with new equipment, new machinery.
But in order to maintain this equipment, in order to build that future Postal Service, we need qualified, skilled technicians, mechanics, people that are invested into technology and how to keep it running, how to learn how to troubleshoot our systems, help us design improvements. We have opportunities throughout this organization for those who want to learn.
Major benefit of the maintenance department at the Postal Service is career advancement. You can come in as a lower level technician and work your way up.
The Postal Service is unique as an employer. We pay to train you. We're going to hire you, pay your salary, pay you to go to school. We're going to pay you to get better.
We'll send you out to our training facility in Oklahoma and teach you everything you need to maintain all the machines in the Postal Service.
A lot of our training is on the job. For the most part, when a new employee comes in, they will shadow or they will follow a more experienced employee around.
Working on nuts and bolts, assisting the higher level electronics technicians and mail processing equipment mechanics.
A lot of the stuff they're going to start off with is a lot of cleaning and vacuum machines. They're going to do some basic maintenance, changing bearings, cleaning, greasing, changing conveyor belts, changing little drive belts.
Once you progress up, you'll get into more of the electrical, computerized equipment, and then up into electronics using oscilloscopes and computer-based diagnostics.
For our vocational students, for our college grads, even for high school grads, somebody who may have come out of school and they don't know what they want to do. We're competitive with the private sector. Our salaries are based on private sector comparisons. Our benefits are better than anybody's.
If you are a multi-craft mechanical individual, this is a great place to advance your career.
Gave me a lot of opportunity to learn and excel in my field as a maintenance mechanic.
We've made huge, unprecedented levels of investment into equipment, and not just buying it off the shelf. We're literally designing our own equipment. We're engaging with our own engineering department. We're engaging with our technicians, designing purpose-built equipment to manage the mail volume of the future. We need people. We need enthusiasm. We need technicians that want to learn. We need to grow our business. We need to grow our internal maintenance department. We want to teach people what it takes to keep these buildings operating so we can continue to meet the needs of our customers.
I'm thankful for the opportunities of advancement. I'm thankful for the benefits. I'm thankful for the lovely people who work here, because I'm a firm believer that a company is only as good as the people who work for it. And I work alongside some awesome people. So thank you to the United States Postal Service.